Flatback rhinestone. Size, 4.8 mm, color, AB crystal. Bold beautiful. Faceted jewelry will emit a shining light in the sun and light, and AB rhinestones will show different colors with the change of angle, making your DIY journey colorful and charming. Shining manicure partner. When you decorate your nails, use our nail art, which can make your nails more creative and changeable, and help you complete unique and shiny nail art. It is your best nail art partner. Multi-purpose. As an excellent DIY accessory, you can also use it in your clothing, makeup, shoes, mobile phone, tablet storage box and other DIY activities with different sizes. Warm tips. This flatback rhinestones needs to be used with glue. Top reviews from the United States. Beautiful rhinestones. Wow, what a bling. The light hits this just right and the rhinestones just sparkle. I used them to make a cup and it turned out awesome. No disappointments here.